2010 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This vehicle features the following equipment: 7-speed AT, 5-6-cylinder engine, 3.5L 213, all-wheel drive, heated front seats, multimedia package, full leather seating package, chrome exterior accents, roof rails, halogen front fog lamps, cruise control. Mercedes-Benz Maintenance System Inc. displays distance remaining to maintenance, type of service due and reminders, rear cargo cover, 7-speed automatic transmission Inc. touch shift, comfort and sport shift programs, 4MATIC all-wheel drive, agility, control suspension system, W selective damping.